Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at AETOS. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. AETOS is a leading financial services provider and licensed Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2007. This broker is based in Sydney, Australia, and is regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Conduct Authority, the Vanuatu Services Commission, and the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority. AETOS offers a wide range of instruments, professional portfolio management services, and a great selection of high-quality trading tools for research and analysis. By trading with AETOS, you will have access to AutoChartist, updated market news, and a secure virtual private server that runs 24 hours a day. We highly recommend AETOS if you are interested in copy trading, automated trading, or PAM investments. AETOS offers more than 25 popular Forex pairs and a wide range of indices, metals, energies, and share CFDs. You can also trade oil, natural gas, and precious metals with this broker, and dozens of United States share CFDs from leading international companies. AETOS also offers fixed spreads on indices from global indexes. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with AETOS, click on the Trading Products tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. AETOS offers a sophisticated, user-friendly website, and you can find more information about accounts, trading conditions, instruments, tools, and platforms by choosing an option from the menu bar. The homepage highlights some of the perks of trading with AETOS, and you will also find an updated economic calendar and market trend chart further down the page. You will also find information about AutoChartist and the copy trading tools further down. And if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see listed menus that you can use to jump to different sections of the website. The AETOS customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can reach them via live chat, email, or telephonically. Their contact details can be found by clicking on the Support tab. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section to see if your questions have already been answered. AETOS offers a welcome bonus up to the value of $20,000 for new clients. Deposits above $250 are eligible for a $50 bonus, and deposits of $200,000 or more will qualify for the full $20,000 bonus. You will find a table showing the rewards for each deposit criteria on the Contests and Promotion page under the Trading Products tab. New and existing clients are also eligible for a 30% credit bonus on each deposit made for a limited time only. Your account could be credited up to the value of $10,000. There are two types of accounts that you can open with AETOS, and this broker also provides a demo account. It appears that AETOS does not currently offer swap-free accounts. However, if you are new to trading, then you can practice using a demo account in the meantime. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. The AETOS MetaTrader 4 demo account is available for 14 days and has a virtual balance of 10,000 US dollars. AETOS offers 2 types of live trading accounts, and you can start trading with as little as 50 US dollars on either account. The general account is suitable for all styles of trading, and it offers competitive spreads with no requotes guaranteed. The advanced account is designed for high net worth individuals. This account has much lower spreads, and trades can be leveraged by up to 400 times. The minimum deposit requirements are low on both accounts. However, the risks can be much higher on the advanced account if you plan on leveraging your trades, so we would only recommend this account for professional and institutional traders. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions AETOS offers, click on the Trading Accounts tab and choose one of the accounts from the drop-down menu. Your AETOS accounts can be used on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005, and this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and more. This platform comes with easy-to-read interactive charts, and you can monitor and analyze the markets in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. MetaTrader 4 can be used with desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. You can find download links for MetaTrader 4 by clicking on the Platform tab and heading over to the MetaTrader 4 page. Creating an account with AETOS may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the AETOS homepage, and then click on the Live Accounts button. Complete the online registration process. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address, and then log in to the client portal. Once your account is approved, you can fund it and start trading with AETOS. Your account can be funded using wire and local transfers, Skrill, NetTeller, PayTrust, or even QR codes. AETOS accounts can be funded using US dollars. One of the perks of being an AETOS client is having access to Auto Chartist, which is a powerful market analysis tool. This tool provides chart patterns, 6 different Fibonacci patterns, global market analysis, and in-depth volatility analysis. You can also use Auto Chartist to monitor your performance, and this is one of the best tools for identifying opportunities and managing risks. AETOS can also be used for copy trading, and all you need to do is create an account, choose a strategy provider to follow, and set the parameters of your trades. Copy trading is a great way to trade in real markets, even if you have limited knowledge of trading or no time to do market research every day. Even if you don't have the time to read news articles and watch the markets all day, you can bookmark the AETOS economic calendar and market news pages for updates on the latest economic events. AETOS also provides an intuitive account management application that can be used to monitor market news and view real-time data reports. The AETOS mobile application is compatible with Android and iPhone operating systems, and you can find a download link for this application under the Trading Tools tab. AETOS does not only offer trading accounts, but this broker also offers percentage allocation management module and multi-account manager accounts. PAM accounts are managed by a master account holder who trades for multiple investors using pooled funds. This method of trading gives you more exposure to the markets and the risks are lower. You can sign up with AETOS as either a master or as an investor. If you are interested in using the MAM account services, you can easily sign up and become either an account manager or an investor. There are multiple trading models you can choose from, and this style of trading is highly rewarding for all participating parties. Currently, it appears there is no beginner-friendly educational content on the AETOS site. However, you can practice using a demo account in the meantime. And when you understand the basics of trading, feel free to try out copy trading, or perhaps you would be interested in joining one of the managed investment pools. AETOS has won dozens of international awards over the years of service, and most recently, they were awarded with the Best Forex Introducing Broker Program and Most Trusted Forex Broker by the Global Forex Awards. In 2019, they were awarded with the Best Forex No Dealing Desk Broker and Best MetaTrader 4 Broker by Online Personal Wealth Awards. And in 2017 and 2018, they received the Best Forex No Dealing Desk Broker and the Best Forex Introducing Broker Program by UK Forex Awards. Overall, AETOS is a trusted international broker that is regulated by multiple financial agencies. And this broker offers high-quality trading tools, competitive trading conditions, and professional account management services. As an AETOS client, you will also have access to plenty of market research tools and an intuitive mobile application that you can use to manage your account, monitor your performance, and stay up to date with the latest market news. So if you are interested, be sure to open your account today and make your first deposit to claim your welcome bonus. And if you make a second deposit, you could earn an extra reward and get a head start on your trading career with AETOS. And that is our overview of AETOS. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.